I've already cut myself once this week and I don't intend to do it again, so I will not be using a mandolin. You guys know that I love my handy dandy shredder. It's the best. I'm gonna pop out the shredder plates. And then I'm gonna put in the mandolin slicing ones, which looks like this. Pop that in. Pop that in. Done. Tighten the handle. I mean, how perfect is this? And there's no risk to chopping off part of my hand or my fingernails, and I happen to love this manicure and I don't want to lose it. Done. Love it. I love this thing. I love this thing. I'm not kidding. It has all of these different attachments, grating, slicing, you know, shredding, all that stuff. And honestly, it's so much safer. I use this thing all the time because I'm clumsy and impatient.